I have been making videos on YouTube for a long time, and over the years I have reviewed many games consoles, and also over my years, not on YouTube, sort of prior to YouTube, I started off in the very early days playing games on the likes of a grandstand games console, and then moved on to a ZX Spectrum, and then on to Commodore 64, Commodore Amiga, and then pretty much all iterations of the Sony and Xbox range of consoles. And over the years, you've probably noticed that the very latest consoles actually cost a lot of money, and the games cost a lot of money too. And the whole purpose of this video is to show you this, the Sony PlayStation 4 Slim 500GB. And this is the PlayStation Hits pack, which includes 3 games. And I picked this up at a local second-hand store for a really good price. And I'll reveal that price towards the end of this video. But I just wanted to show you that this came inside a really nice box, very good condition box as well. Picture of the games on the front says includes 3 games here. It's the 500GB model. And what's good about the PlayStation 4 Slim, and indeed pretty much all of the PlayStation consoles, is it's very easy to actually upgrade the internal storage. So this is the condition it came in. It's a little tiny bit of marking on the gloss part here of the logo, but the actual main sort of faceplate of the console is in exceptionally good condition. If we turn this round to the direction you would have it sort of facing you, you can see we have got the disc slot on the front, a couple of USB ports here, it says PS4 on the corner. We take a look on this side, completely clear, and again in very good condition. We take a look on this side, again exceptionally good condition, and we've got a little hidden compartment just here. And indeed, if we take a look at the back of the console, you'll see we've got the input here for the power cable, and this did come with all of the cables inside the box as well. We've also got an auxiliary port, we've got an HDMI out port, and also a LAN port as well. So very good condition on the back. And then this cover here you can actually remove, and you can indeed replace the 500GB drive with something like a 500GB or 1TB solid state drive. So that's something to bear in mind as well. Oh, and the underside of the console, the bit that goes onto your table or desk, again, exceptionally good condition. So I'm really pleased with the condition of the console. And then the controllers. We got 2 controllers with this for the price, which I'll reveal very shortly. We got 2 controllers, very good condition. In fact, they look pretty much unused. A little tiny bit of marking on this one, but we've got very nice controls, an ergonomic controller that we're really used to with the PlayStation line of consoles. And again on this side here, very clean, virtually unused. And I think this one was in even better condition. This one actually was in a little bag, so I think this one may have well been completely unused. Very good condition again. And then in with this package deal, there was also 3 games. So we got The Last of Us Remastered with instructions, perfect quality disc, again looked pretty much brand new, no marks on the disc at all. Then we also got, in with this bundle, excuse the glare on the games, we also got Uncharted 4, again, complete with instructions, or not instructions, but the control list here. So that was included as well, very good game. And Horizon Zero Dawn, again, pristine condition with the disc and instructions inside the box. And even the code, I haven't checked the code inside works yet, but I'm sure it will be absolutely fine. So we got all of this for a grand total. Are you ready for this? We got all of this for a grand total of £100. £100, guys and girls. That is absolutely fantastic. We've got a really good console, and it works flawlessly with 3 games, 2 controllers, all boxed for £100. And I mentioned to you also during the introduction of this video that yes, games for the modern day consoles can be sort of £40, £50, £60, even £70 or £80 sometimes for a game. And with this, the PlayStation 4 games, you can pick up really good deals at boot fairs and second-hand shops for sort of £3, £4, £5, and even online, a lot of the games you'll find are under £10 for really good titles. So do bear that in mind. It's not only a great value console, but the ongoing cost of buying great games can be really very, very cheap as well. I also noticed a couple of the PlayStation 4 games that I've looked at have also got free PlayStation 5 upgrades in the box as well. Very, very cool. Really pleased with this. This was a very, very good deal. And I really do encourage you, if you want to get into gaming for the first time, you don't necessarily have to buy the latest release console. You can have just as much fun with a previous generation or even generations before this, because the games and the gameplay are very, very good indeed. And that's what it's all about. It's not about the sort of glossy, high definition graphics. It's about the gameplay. And indeed, I get a lot of my enjoyment playing retro games, which are even older, and the graphics are pretty poor in some cases, but if the gameplay is good, then you're going to have a great time playing them. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the like button, drop me some comments below, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.